900,000 square meters of agricultural land forming part of the Jordan riverbed. Planted with more than 5,000 date trees. Producing unique Medjool and Barhi dates, unique in its taste, texture, and color. Jordan River Dates. The journey starts with the nursery. Our palm dates tissue culture plants are acclimatized. Then they are carefully planted by a highly experienced and qualified workforce. Jordan River dates are hand-pollinated with utmost precision. Delicately hand-picked one by one. Applying strict work procedures, quality assurance, and quality control in accordance to global GAP and HACCP regulations to ensure a healthy growth. The harvest is then transferred to the collection point for the first air cleaning and weighing. It's then moved to the main facility. There, Jordan River dates are cleaned, graded, and sorted one by one according to their grade and size. They are checked again by a qualified team to ensure that the quality and sizes are in accordance to international standards, then boxed, wrapped, and palletized for shipping or stocking. Jordan River dates, fresh dates proudly produced in Jordan.